Well, hello guys. So you have no idea how much I struggled with this selfie stick. Anyway, I got a new selfie stick. This one doesn't jiggle so much like the other one. The one that I had, I picked up from a dollar store many years ago. But then I picked up another one which was good, but it wasn't something that you could actually hold on close to you and have people kind of stare at you and wondering why are they talking to their phone. Oh, they must be a YouTuber. So that's what typically happens. But it's early morning and I am in a parking lot. Just see if you can. It doesn't work. Okay, you can sort of see it. Okay, and I'm waiting for a store to open. I didn't know that they didn't open till later on, so I'm sort of stuck here. And there's a couple of other cars here that are stuck, and I noticed they're all doing one thing. They all have their cars running, car engine running. I got here around 7:30. The place I'm going to opens at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. And I'm not going to mention it, but I'm gonna. The diesel heater is keeping me nice and warm and toasty, so that's pretty cool. But I'm actually, that's not the reason why I'm making this video. I wanted to make this really quick video just to say, there were some people that I met over the weekend that had some questions about my minivan, camper van, tiny space, little kind of getaway home thingamajig. Anyway, this thing here, right? And I am so sorry I had to leave. I had to go see my parents. And anyway, I was there early in the morning. And what had happened was they had asked me some questions. They actually came by to see if everything was okay, because I was sort of parked at the side of the road there in front of the lake, and that was really kind of you to sort of check up on me. That's really being a good human, and you do exist. People out there do exist. Kind people do exist, and I want to bet the farm that a majority of people are good. And there are some things that we do that may not turn the right way, but at the same time, generally the people that I've been that I met up with have been all very good. And anyway, they had some questions about this van. The good thing is I actually gave them this channel, my YouTube channel. So if you are here, welcome and hello there. Welcome to my channel. But anyway, I had to take off. I did leave a little note on your windshield just to let you know, hey, I had to take off. I had to say hi to my parents. But anyway, this video is for you. Just to say, I'm so sorry I had to take off. But maybe next time around, maybe I'll see you guys there. But aside from that, yeah, I'm waiting for the store to open. I'm just gonna get some supplies, and I'm hoping that at some point I finish this van build. There's just so many little things that I have to work on, that I sort of want to tie up, just to clean up, just to make it the way I want it to be. I know everyone has a different style and taste, but I'm making this van so that it's as comfortable as can be, and so far it is very comfortable, to the point where comfortable enough that I can take a nap and just, I always use that word, chill right out. And that really is the bottom line here, is this is my chill wagon, my napmobile, and so far it's giving me everything that I need right at this point in my life. Anyway, thanks very much for visiting my channel. If you like the video, please like it. If you think it's good enough to subscribe to, I would really appreciate it. Please subscribe, support my channel, help me grow my channel. But I mean, you don't have to subscribe. You can just sort of check in every so often. But I really appreciate the comments. I'm finding that a lot of you guys are really nice people, like just friendly, giving me some good advice, and tactful. You're also tactful, and I appreciate that. Really, I do. I've been on Reddit, and Reddit, it's a different cat altogether. And there's some people that are kind of abrasive, but for whatever reason, for that time in their life, that's how they are. So hey, that's how that goes. Aside from that, I'm done. I I am hoping, oh, I almost forgot. So I don't have to start till a bit later today, and that's why it's actually bright out here. Usually I start really early in the morning for 7, and it's usually nighttime when I do these little, you know, sort of driving vlogs or vlogs, whatever you want to call them. But I'm really looking forward to spring. And you know what I'm going to start, you know what I think I'm doing? Wait a sec here. Let's cut to some things I want to do in this van while I'm waiting anyway, okay? Okay, hold on. Let me just check here. 1 second.